actually Jasmine Hernandez asked, about how long does it take after the I-130 application to be approved? Now Jasmine, there's 4 or 5 different types of I-130 petitions you can make for your parents, for your spouse, for your children, the children that are married or single, children above the age of 21 or under, brothers and sisters, and each one has a different timeline depending on how much of a priority it is. For example, if you apply for your brother and sister, I have these I-130s take 3 years or 10 years, both. If you apply for your spouse and you're a U.S. citizen, it takes on average 8 to 10 months. If you're a green card holder, it takes 1 year to 2 years. So the I-130 is a very versatile application. There's 10 or 15 different scenarios whether the person submitting is a green card holder or citizen, and what relationship they have to a foreign person, and that foreign person is married or single or above or 21 or under 21. It all varies, and whatever timeline I say could all be completely different because of the way USCIS works. So try checking out USCIS.gov for your particular application, but warning, 99% of the time the timelines make no sense there and they're completely useless, but it's better they give you useless information than I do, because we just don't know. I don't know enough information. Even if I did, these things could take a long time. For example, when I usually submit a petition from a U.S. citizen to their parent to get a green card, we start with the I-130 if the parent's overseas, and normally the I-130 takes 10 months. I just had one approved today that took 1 year and 8 months. And the reason for it was we needed to submit a marriage certificate, but they had lost it, so we had to get all these other documents. And I don't know if it's the reason they didn't tell us, but knowing how complex the situation got to prove that this person was really married to the person's mom, the petitioner, I'm sure that was the reason why it took twice as long as it normally does to get this I-130 approved. Now you follow up and say for sibling, I-130 for siblings take 3 to 10 years for the I-130 to be approved, but then once that's approved, you have to wait for the visa bulletin to be current. The line that exists for brother and sister cases has to come forward. So there's a lot going on there. Brother and sister case, the I-130 approval doesn't make a difference unless you're using a thing called the Child Status Protection Act. Let's say your sibling has children and they want to be part of the application. The time it takes for the I-130 to be adjudicated is very important. The longer it takes, the better actually in that case. That's a whole other subject. I give a really big answer so all our viewers get understanding of the complexities of trying to guess timelines on this kind of stuff. But thank you for your question. Thank you for watching this educational program. To get the latest videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Also, help us help the immigrant community by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. You can also find us on other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, where you find the latest updates on immigration news, policy changes, and tips. Be safe and God bless. See you soon.